guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add collections to homepage on Shopify. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have here some products. So for example, the first thing I need to do is to make sure that I have some collections available. Under here on the products, you can see the collections. Now, as you can see, I already have this collection for the homepage. And under this homepage right here, I only have one product, which is the t-shirt product right here. Now, on this collection named homepage, I just need to head over and add in here a few more products. So let's head over and browse right here. And then, for example, let's add all my products that I have available. Then click on done. And once I have done that, the next thing I need to do is to make sure that this is saved. So I can just head over and save this thing right here. So let's try to save this. And then when you head back right here, as you can see on the homepage, you now have 4. So for now, let's head over to online store in order to see what they look like. So under the homepage right here, I now have these products that I have added on my sample product and featured products right now. And when I head over to the catalog, I can see all the products right in here. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below as well, or because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.